Hello, people of Earth. I'm feeling annoyed today, and it's about the TV, because I'm a child of the TV. That's something I grew up on, and it has taught me far more than any educational system ever could. Quite simply because the educational system is broken, but that's something for another time. I always watch, since I was able to turn on the TV, I was watching History Channel, Discovery Channel, more recently the Science Channel, Military Channel, educational TV that could teach me things. And that got me interested in history, all kinds of things that, it probably isn't going to be happening for too many more kids anymore because those channels have gone to shit. Absolute shit. Alright? Discovery Channel. Discovery Channel used to have shows on all the time that were about, the natural world, about they had Mythbusters, which was kind of cool because you're still learning things from it. Discovery Channel should be about learning. You learn, you discover, right? I mean, maybe I'm misunderstanding the meaning of discovery, but that's how I interpret discovery. But now every time I turn on the Discovery Channel, I see a little show that I really hate called Deadliest Catch. I know it's massively popular, but can someone tell me why? Like, what the hell is that show? How many times can you catch crabs? And, how many times can you catch crabs and be interesting? I mean, what is it fun? What's so interesting about puttering around in a boat doing the world's most dangerous job over and over and over and over and over and over and over again? How can you have seasons of that show? Why is it on all the time? What happened to the shows that were actually interesting and that actually made sense with the channel? Then of course there's History Channel, which used to be documentaries about every different kind of history all the time. Histories, mysteries, UFO files, modern marvels, things like that. Now I start seeing shows like Ice Road Truckers, Axemen, Ice Road Truckers, Deadliest Rose. How the hell is that history? And they have, Pawn Stars, which is actually, it's a good show, but it doesn't belong on the History Channel. Same thing with American Pickers, great show. Why is it on the History Channel? Why is it on an Antiques Channel or something? So, what are these channels doing? What are these shows doing here? And why are they replacing channels that have to actually do with history? If they're gonna do that, change the name of the goddamn channel. Why is it History Channel anymore? They even changed the motto to making history every day. Okay, so we're making history every day now. So what's that thing that happened yesterday? Did that not happen? Are we gonna stop teaching people that? People who don't know history doing to repeat it, that sort of thing. I love history. And what I'm watching right now is not history. Sorry. Then of course, there's the Science Channel, which I started watching recently because I had a physics class, and I really, really love physics. I mean, I don't know why, I just fucking love it. Can't get enough of it. And doing that class made me find that channel and watch it non-stop. Until the shows with physics and the universe and geology and with all those, brilliant scientists thinking about the future. Well, those stopped coming on. They were replaced by shows like How It's Made and How Do They Do It. That's about it. That's all I see on the Science Channel anymore. Can someone explain to me the difference between those two shows? I mean, How It's Made, it shows how they make things. How They Do It shows how they make things. It seems like the same show that gets too much time on the air. And some of the things are scientific, but it's not science. That belongs on the engineering channel or the industrial channel. But those don't exist. So they end up on this channel that has barely anything to do with the subject. What's the point of this? I don't understand. Someone explain this to me. Why have all the really good educational TV networks gone to shit and not done anything educational anymore? What the hell is this? I mean, the reason I got through all of my history classes and did very well in them, these are AP classes, was watching TV. Was watching those great shows that taught me so much about history that I already had a base in the class before it even started. I mean, that TV has helped me learn so much more than any class ever could. So why is it going to shit? I mean, I'm sure I'm not the only one out there who knows the TV can be a lot more valuable in classes, especially when the education system is terrible. Alright, I'm done bitching for the day. I might complain about something later. I mean, no one's ever gonna watch it, so whatever. It makes me feel better whining about something. I get that from my mom's side of the family, you know, just whining about things that make me sad. You know, like put the seat down and flush the toilet, stuff like that. You know, or do the laundry and clean your plate. Yeah, okay. I'm not doing that. Anyway, bye world.